Hi friends, what's this Tkinter window? In this window we have a input box here, so we can enter a query here. So this is backend is connected to MySQL database. You can use SQLite also. So here I can enter any query, select star from student. Now once I give this, I click go, you can see this is a tree view, tabular data is displayed, and I have a vertical scroll bar. So because here more records are there, I had to scroll it. I can select a record and further move it this way also. And this is a tree view. We have actually discussed about this, and that how to take 10 records and display it with a dynamic column configuration. So I want to change here the column names also. Say I want name, then mark, and say gender. These three columns only I want. So automatically these three columns will be here. You can see this will take only those three colors because dynamically all the these column headers are configured. So this we have actually discussed. Here is the link. You just see that part you can complete there, and also in the another part we have added the vertical scroll bar. Even you can go for horizontal scroll bar also. Both we have discussed here. Here is the link. This you can see that the scroll bars how they are added to this tree view. And actually the main purpose here is to develop various queries and work on the date column. So there was a question, so select star from dt table where date is the column name, date equal to current date. So this gives me the current date. What is the record available for today's record? So if I'll go this, now this is a different table. It's not a student table anymore. So another table where there are a lot of date, all records have a date column, multiple records are there. dt unknown column data, okay, the data in where clause, okay, oh, sorry, it is date equal to coordinate, and see the error message is also displaying. Now here you can see this is the one record is there. Record IDs are different for to know that, so that is why it is displayed. So this window can be used to understand various queries actually that can be done, and we are using it here. So we'll get a records between two dates, between yesterday or today, and between last 5 days, weekdays. All those queries we can run it from here and apply it on a date table. To learn this, I will request you please try to understand how these records are dynamically created and placed it on a dynamically collected from MySQL database and placed on a tree view, and how this scroll bar is added and how this style is changed. Then we'll more focus on this, how to prepare this layout and how to get the records. This application we can further increase also the more features we can add. Suppose select star from student. Now say I am selecting a record here. Suppose I have selected this record, then all the details of the record will be available here. I can edit it, update it, all those things that can be, you can slowly work more on that. Please encourage us by forwarding this to your friends and all, and requesting them to subscribe to our channel. And I request you again, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. And as you are moving more in depth towards the database management, queries, and all those details of Python and other languages also, please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.